Ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have to go for a walk after this one. Holy shit. Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back in the kitchen. Today we're going to be doing the Anabolic French Toast Challenge. I can eat some food, alright? So this is a speed eating challenge. I usually don't speed eat, but I do tend to eat very fast. So we're going to see how this goes. And yeah, not gonna lie, I eat this shit every day, but I usually don't eat 1,000 calories worth. So got the regular ass bread, got the food scale. Alright, so 10 servings is 250 calories, so I'm only at 730 calories. 460 grams, that's 10 servings. This is insane. What the fuck? Maybe more egg whites? I don't really know. Yeah, fuck it, bro. Whole carton going in. Whatever. Now we're at 880 calories. Got like a whole carton of egg whites almost in here. Just put the vanilla in, some cinnamon. I'm going with 4 sweeteners because we want it sweet. Pinch of salt adds more flavor. Alright, I have an idea. We're gonna add 100 calories of PB2 on top. This is going to be insane. We need to soak the absolute shit out of this bread or it is not gonna work. 16 servings of egg whites. I hope 8 pieces of bread will soak it up. Look at that. It's a disaster. But these Johns are gonna be thick. They're gonna be thick, boy. Yeah, bro, like, I don't think anyone was eating this much French toast. Holy shit. Look at this shit, dude. Look at this shit. Added mad syrup. You know I had to. Are y'all ready for this, yo? Oh. Bro, I'm not even ready. I'm not ready. I gotta see my plan of attack here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Holy, bro. Bro, I'm gonna throw up. I'm about to throw up, bro. Such a failure. Bro, I never have any problems eating food, and this is honestly ridiculous. I'm gonna have to go for a walk after this one. Holy shit. Make it go down. Holy shit. That's better. Come on, bro. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna have to go for a walk after this one. Holy shit. You don't understand, like, I don't want to eat this right now. Well, that's honestly embarrassing. I think I got probably the worst time I've seen on YouTube. Bro, like, it was literally miserable. My first, like, quarter of it was good. It was good. With the PB2 and the syrup, banging. And not even halfway through the French toast, I'm like, yo, I got a whole nother stack of 4 pieces of French toast. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me absolutely suffer. If you guys want to do this, tag me or tag Greg. But I want to see, like, who else is doing this, because a minute and 50 seconds, like, bro, I don't know. I was on track. I got the first stack down, the first half of it in like 2 minutes, like a little less than 2 minutes, and I was like, all right, we'll get like 4 minutes, right? Nah, we got 8 minutes, because I got to that second stack and I was like, there's no way. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, watching me suffer. And anyone who wants to do this, tag me. I want to see it. Because that's insane, bro. I don't know how he got a minute, 50 seconds. And Abby, I'm challenging you. Don't forget, Abby Rainier, you're going to watch this. And you need to do this challenge. And you're probably going to beat me. But I don't know. I don't think people are actually eating 1,000 calories worth, because I used 8 pieces of bread and 16 servings of egg whites, and that was 880 calories. Then I had to use 2 servings of PB2, which is 120 to get it to 1,000, plus the syrup, plus the spray, and it was 8 pieces, thick ass pieces. Like, there's literally no way. But still impressive. I mean, I got 8 minutes. I probably should have stood up and did it, but yeah, I don't know. First meal. It's shitty. Yo, but for real, we're gonna be putting out more content. I'm gonna need more ideas from you guys, what you guys wanna see. And like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.